been 6 years. 6 years since we've had one I'm about to show you available for sale. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ryan Kelly, Ecuador Shores Realty, Manta, Ecuador's #1 top producing, most recommended expat realty company. And yes, if you know what I'm about to showcase for you, then you know exactly why it's been so long since we've had one of these available. We are talking about a duplex unit here at the ever popular Ibiza building. And as you probably might know, there's only 3 of these floor plans that were ever built. We now have 2 of them coming on market for sale. We're talking about 2 levels, because not only is this yours, all of the upstairs is yours as well. 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 1,800 square feet of pure enjoyment, including this massive private terrace, all for you. And when you look at it from the view that you're looking at right now, I mean, it kind of feels like a home instead of a condo. All the privacy through here, and imagine what you can do on this outside terrace. Barbecue grill over here, table, chairs, umbrella, couple of lounge chairs soaking up the sun, overlooking the Pacific Ocean, and that remarkable pool deck right below. But there's a lot to see on this one, so let's get started. Coming inside, this is going to be your main living space area. Wide open concept. Of course, one of the biggest reasons why I love this so much is because of all the natural light coming in through that huge sliding glass door system. And again, everything focused towards that view right out over the ocean. Your kitchen is a beautiful kitchen through here, the rich dark granite, waterfall edge. Now, some of the appliances already come with your built-in microwave, your built-in oven, your induction cooktop, your hood range here, your double sink here. Now, this is an RO system water filtration here, but this is now obsolete in the Ibiza building because now the entire building is RO water filtration system. You can drink directly out of your faucet. You can drink out of your shower if you want to. Now, right here, this is where you would choose your refrigerator. Our company has a massive network set aside. We'll be more than happy to help you find a great refrigerator system as well. And then, of course, moving into the rest of this open concept, this is where your main living center would be. Now, again, this is going to be sold unfurnished, but if you want to make an offer with the furniture, you can. But otherwise, again, we can be able to help you find a great store to be able to find furniture. But you can have this set up any way you like. You can do an L sectional somewhere, a sofa love seat, big screen TV here. But again, it's going to compete with that view because this is the soul of this house. That is the coup de grace. Now, moving forward into this area here, this is going to be your laundry system, complete with stackable washer dryer and a wash basin sink. Coming into this is coming downstairs from your upstairs area. This is another little area. We've seen people do like a little home office down here, build a bar here, bookshelves, whatever you like. And this is going to be your half bath social, which is really nice because it's kind of like around the corner, little added privacy. Now, moving upstairs, again, you have additional storage space underneath if you wanted to put additional closetry, something like that. But wait till you see the views from the bedroom. Now, coming upstairs, you really get a nice sense of having a 2-level duplex because your living area is downstairs and your bedroom areas are upstairs for, again, ultimate privacy. Now, this is technically your front door, but you can come in through the sliding glass doors because that is a completely separate entrance only for the duplex owners. But coming in through your front door here, the garage is just right there and your 2 parking spaces and bodega are literally right there. So it's super easy access to be able to get home. This is an additional foyer area. We've seen different ideas for people to be able to kind of fill this space. But hey, tell me in the comments what you would do. Now here on this side, these are going to be both of your bedrooms, complete with private en-suites as well. They are mirror images of each other. So we'll just jump into this one. So coming through here on your right-hand side is going to be your private en-suite bath, beautiful glass enclosed shower, and then this is your bedroom. I mean, I don't know about you, but your bed's here, your TV's there. TV doesn't compete because you wake up in the morning, this is the view that you look out on, and it gets better. Because coming outside for morning coffee is like nothing else. Look at this, morning coffee on this terrace, overlooking your terrace down below, overlooking the blue of the Pacific Ocean. I mean, come on, does life get any better? Imagine living here, imagine waking up to this. So overlooking that one-of-a-kind pool deck down there is the perfect place to be able to talk about all of the amenities that you will get to enjoy living here at the beautiful Ibiza building, because it's one of the main reasons why the Ibiza continues to be one of the most popular choices here in Manta, Ecuador. We're talking about the longest oceanfront heated infinity pool down there, 2 heated jacuzzis, private beach access, additional showers and restrooms, and a little children's playground. Now upstairs on the main PB level, you have another heated lap pool, a heated children's pool, 2 more heated jacuzzis. The area's only turf tennis court, 2 outdoor kitchen barbecue areas, another children's playground area, and a full gym. Plus, you're located in a private gated neighborhood and everything right butting up against the blue of the Pacific Ocean. Come on, does life get any better than this? All right, wrapping up on this one. We are talking about one of only 2 coming available for sale. Your private duplex here in the beautiful Ibiza building, 2 levels, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath, almost 1,800 square feet of pure enjoyment. This massive oversized terrace included in that, and everything is focused directly out towards that view and looking down on one of the most beautiful pool decks here in Manta. Asking price on this one, $279,900. $279,900, and you get to own one of only 3 that were ever built, and something we haven't had available for sale in 6 years. Six years. Contact us today for more details on this one while they last, because I have a feeling these are gonna go quick. We only have 2, so contact us today for more details, and we'll see you down here in paradise. Have a great day, everybody. And 2 of them are now coming available for sale through our company, and they are, where am I going? In beautiful Manta, Ecuador. Good afternoon, my name, of course my name. Of course, this is where we're gonna be spending a lot of where we're gonna be, Now coming upstairs, I also love this floor plan because it is, I almost tripped.